So I guess we're gonna start off with the new lovers. New lovers, new lover. Whoever this person is could possibly be some sort of soulmate, kindred spirit, someone that you know from a previous lifetime or something like that. That's what I'm seeing here with this new lover energy is what I'm feeling. You may possibly have someone new entering into your energy. Let's see, what's going on with this lover's energy? Clarify lover. Two more. One more for new lover. New lover. Oh, clarifying this new lover is higher self activation. I feel like whoever this person is definitely, I'm not going to say they're going to make you a better person, but I feel like this is the best person for you, the best energy for you, this new person that's coming in. It seems like this person will understand you on a level that no one else will ever know you. Is what I'm seeing here. I feel like whoever this person is have high expectations, such as yourself. You get what I'm saying? It's almost like an energy of this person knowing their self worth. Is what I'm seeing here. I feel like whoever this person is might be someone of some sort of status. Okay, whoever this person is possibly wears suits and things like that. I feel like this person might be like an emperor or empress energy. You guys, I'm seeing somebody in their thoughts though. I'm saying thoughts and isolation. There's an energy of someone isolating themselves, possibly deep in their thoughts or something like that. I don't know. There's an energy of someone thinking. Now, with these thoughts and isolation, this could almost be like a hermit mode type of energy, someone obtaining or receiving some sort of spiritual enlightenment. Because at the bottom of the deck, I'm saying third eye clarity. So maybe this thoughts and isolation is just to regain some sort of clarity, especially in regards to, is this my person? This feel like my person. The way I feel for this person I've never felt before, and it doesn't feel like any other connection where I've said the same thing. Like I felt what I feel for this person, I've never felt. You know, I just seen the I just seen a justice card. I don't know where it went at though. I did just see the justice card, so that lets me know that there is karmic justice here. There's karmic justice here. It lets me know that things are going to work out in your favor. Clarify this higher self activation. Yeah, clarifying this higher self activation is the Knight of Cups. I'm seeing that there's a romantic proposal here. There's the energy of you guys following your heart. I'm seeing some of you guys may be dating and you coming in contact with your ideal masculine or feminine energy. We have the Six of Wands out here, which is talking about a victory, some sort of success where you guys having the advantage. All right. Yeah, it's like you're an energy of you're gaining or having some sort of advantage. What I'm seeing here, some of you guys may be going through some sort of temporary financial situation as well. And it may be due to an energy that you were possibly connected to previously that may have been dipping. That's what I heard, dipping and dodging in and out with this passion energy. It seems like this person, mixed and mingled with a lot of spirits and things like that, which place some sort of effect on your energy. But nonetheless, I'm seeing things changing. So it goes from the Five of Pentacles to the Ten of Pentacles. Temporary financial hardship. Yeah, when they said temporary, that's exactly what they meant. Temporary, and it was due to somebody else's energy or transgressions. And I see you obtaining some sort of unexpected, like financial windfall or some sort of large lump sum. I'm definitely seeing you're stepping into this energy of a solid foundation, and somebody's definitely trying to stop that. I'm not going to knock that. I'm not going to. Somebody in your energy want to argue, fuss, and fight, especially when they find out you moving on and you're getting ready to be happy, or you are happy. Once they find out you are happy, let's go ahead and clarify this self worth. Clarify the self-worth. Whoever you are, you can have Earth in your chart, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo with the Queen of Pentacles energy. It seems like you're very responsible, very caring, nurturing type of energy, and spirit is want you to view things from a different perspective. It seems like an energy of somebody wanting to keep you in lack or have you in this energy of having some sort of lack of direction. I'm saying you will need to let go or had to let whoever this person go. Yeah, whoever this energy is that you were teaming up with or collaborating with, for you to stand in your own power, because it's almost like an energy of you being stronger by yourself until you meet your person. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys receiving good news, especially in regards to earthly matters, some sort of solid beginning. I see you guys have been making plans, setting goals. All right. And I'm seeing opportunities increasing. I'm seeing an increase of bookings, increases of income, and things like that. But this is also due to you guys having some sort of open mind. So it seems like you having to stay in high vibration, keep a high frequency. All right. It's like an energy of expecting or hoping for the best. Okay. Or having faith. and the things in the unseen. Like I stated before, I seen the justice card, and I knew once I seen the justice card that things are here to work out in your favor with this karmic justice energy. I'm seeing you guys have learned a lot of less life lessons. All right. It's like an energy of whoever this person is that was like left remnants that caused some sort of hardship in your life. It seems like this person is going to be held accountable for their actions. Now, for you in this future energy, I'm seeing an energy of celebration here. It look like there's some sort of festivities. It may be some sort of wedding or something like that. It seems like you guys, overcame some sort of self-doubt. Look, we got wish fulfillment. We got the star card out here. So it definitely talking about some sort of inspiration. Okay. There's an energy of you keeping faith or having promise or faith in the future. You keeping a high vibration. Again, there's an energy of healing yeah, there was an energy of you healing. This is also talking about this person being in wish fulfillment. With this new lovers card and then the lovers card come out, yeah, this is definitely let me know that you guys look, and then you got the two of cups out here. Yeah, you got a soulmate out here, a new beginning out here with the fool card. Yeah, this is not a drill. Somebody's coming in towards you. They rushing it as a matter of fact. It seems like you guys are definitely in this Nine of Pentacles energy, which is single. There's an energy of independent wealth, independent stability. Spirit about to put somebody in this energy. If you're not financially stable, you're getting ready to be financially stable. Spirit about to knock that out the way where you have some sort of success or some sort of financial security, with this Ace of Pentacles energy. And that's not the only thing you're obtaining. You also obtaining or receiving some sort of new love. But you're not even going to expect this new love because you're going to simply be focusing on the investments, investing, possibly focusing on your business, focusing on your hobbies, focusing on your children, if you have children and things like that. Somebody could possibly have fire in their chart. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius is what I'm showing here. What do we need to know in regards to this King of Wands, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius card? It seems like there's an energy of someone standing their ground. There's like an energy of somebody placing some sort of boundary here. What's going on with these boundaries? Yeah, it's like an energy of somebody placing some sort of boundaries, standing up for what they believe in. They've learned some sort of lesson with whoever this person is. And I'm seeing the energy of someone taking the high road and moving forward. They've learned all the lessons that they needed to learn with this individual. They learned from past failures and mistakes, and someone is now gathering their strength and moving on. Okay, protecting their energy, severing some ties, especially when it comes to this person. It looked like there was some sort of deceit, lies, cheating, trickery, theft, or underhanded behavior. This person could possibly even be a liar. That's why you moved on, or moving on, or spirit are urging you to move on. I'm seeing you overcoming a lot of obstacles, and it looked like somebody is not able to sleep. They're not going to be able to rest. I feel like I said, whoever this person is wants to cause some sort of conflict, argument, fussing, and fight once they find out you're happy and moved on, or somebody wants to make you happy. But I'm seeing it's a closing of a cycle with whoever this person is, and you gets to move on successfully with this chariot card. You overcoming all these obstacles. There's an energy of self-discipline and you triumphing. Yeah, after the closing of the cycle, I'm seeing this person and they still dealing with like, secrets and illusions and still this vague energy coming in, with malicious intent and secrets. Ain't nobody got time for that crap. What's the closing message here with this new lover energy? Because that's what I want to keep. Wait a minute, yo, because this is what do we need to know in regards to this new lovers? What's the closing message? This one kind of completed out kind of fast, you guys. This could even could have possibly even been some sort of clarity. What do we need to know? I'm seeing surrender. Butterflies might be, I said butterflies. Oh, feathers might be significant. Butterflies may definitely be significant as well. It says let go. Letting go is the key to freedom. Release attachment and trust the process. Surrender control today. Trust that what it means for you will come effortlessly. And we have wholeness at the bottom of the deck. True fulfillment comes when you embrace all parts of yourself. You are already complete. Recognize and honor both your light and shadow aspect. They make you whole. So Spirit says surrender to the situation, especially when it comes to this new lover that's coming in towards you. Because it looked like the previous lover or the old lover, whatever contract y'all had with them is over with. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please,